This is the one-day reading for the S&P 500 throughout the day of January 12th, 2022. It's currently January 6th, 2022, 2:38 p.m. A failed attempt to break through a key resistance and a decline through a key support level is highlighted as a theme and overall behavior for the day. We have a high correlation in the first three cards. So in the pre-market, in the pre-market and between 9:30 and 10, and then we have a correlation to the theme card here at the open. So there's going to be some fluctuations moving into the open. Three failed attempts to break a key resistance level, followed by a decline roughly around 10 o'clock, maybe a little bit sooner. Well, there's a decline near the open from a high. And then roughly 10 to 11, we have another move to the upside. Excuse me. From 10 to 11, we have a notable move lower. A trade opportunity between 10 and 11. Excuse me. Between 10 and 11, we have a decline. Out of a decline, we have a courageous rally, and then from that, we drop pretty sharply into the 11 to 12 o'clock hour. And in the 11 to 12 o'clock hour, there's an opportunity to open some new trades, some new positions, cash in on old ones, and roll positions. We have another high correlator highlighted midday between 12 and 1. It's the peace card. I'll be interested to see if it correlates with the past peace cards that we've seen. And then we have sideways fluidity between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock. Trading in a tight range, equal bulls and bears roughly. And then we have a ton of volatility. We have a day's high and another day's low. There's two low correlators at the end of the day, but between roughly 2 and 3, there's a ton of volatility. We get a spike up followed by a spike down. And that's another day's low, and that volatility then turns into a straight decline as we move into the close in that last hour. And then there's a high correlator right at the close. In the Ace of Cups. So I would say we probably have a peak or something, a crest that maybe forms right around the close, although probably a tiny one, because in the post-market we break down through multiple, we break down through a diagonal trend line, and volatility picks up as we move down. And then the preview card for the following day is a sharp decline off of a peak. Behavior around today, the day's high for the 12th here is a sharp dip within a period of volatility, and then we have some bullish rotation, and then possibly some good economic data that comes out right around the lows. There's a deeper low tomorrow as well than there is today. There'll be a deeper low on the 13th than there is on the day of the 12th. And I'm advised to trade around a sharp decline to reach a support level, and then we bounce along that support level. Or we bounce along the support level. All right, guys, that's January 12th, 2022. Hope this helps. I know it's helping a lot of people, including myself. So thanks for watching. I'm glad that you're here, and spread the word. Share, subscribe, like, do all that stuff for us, please. We're doing this for you. All right, guys, thanks. I'll see you all tomorrow.